A factory manager's job is far from easy. As factory environments become increasingly complex, the challenges faced also evolve on a continuous basis. At Zensar, we have pioneered cutting-edge smart factory solutions that effectively mitigate risk and facilitate easier shop floor management. Take our asset tracking and monitoring module, for instance. You can track and monitor movement of physical items within and across warehouses, along with closer control of unmanned equipment and other items on the shop floor. This tracking and monitoring information seamlessly integrates into your ERP MES inventory application, giving you real-time updates and promoting effective decision-making. You can dynamically map restricted areas on your shop floor using a smart device to mark off limit areas or zones with potential safety hazards. Personnel monitoring alerts you about unauthorized access to these restricted areas, preventing potential safety hazards or compromised information integrity. Ensure optimal working condition of your shop floor equipment with our environmental factor monitoring solution. This data is used to generate regulatory reports on pollution parameters for your head office compliance departments or pollution boards. These and a lot more such features from our IoT-based smart factory solution that redefines shop floor management and safety. Contact us today to know how Zensar can help you.